Hi, my name is Troy Emory, and we're going to talk today about the new tax changes in 2018. I've been in business now for 11 years, and we're going to get into the new tax changes that everyone's talking about these days.
All right, so here's some of the individual changes. Lower tax rates, that's a good thing. That's going to help a lot of people out, especially lower income people, some people in the middle class. That's going to help them out. And I'll show you the rates in a minute. Personal exemptions, your personal exemptions are gone. Totally gone. There will not be any personal exemptions. This is part of simplifying the tax code. Now, keep in mind, one thing I forgot to tell you was most of these changes are not really backed by any payments, additional payments to make up for what the government is not taking in. So this is going to be a $1.5 trillion tax bill with very, very little revenue to offset that $1.5 trillion. Okay, there are certain things that they did throw in that really will try to alleviate some of the IRS not getting that $1.5 trillion. That's a limitation on state and local taxes. Okay, child tax credit. It's no longer $1,000. It's $2,000, and I have a slide I believe later on that as well. AMT. This is one of your favorites, Austin. Every year, I have clients that might be paying $4,000, $5,000, $7,000, $8,000 of AMT tax. Everybody know what AMT tax is? Everybody know what AMT tax is? Let me explain what AMT tax is. The government has already determined, well, in prior years, if your income is a certain amount of money, usually higher income, you should be paying a minimum amount of tax to make it easy for you to understand. So when you do your tax calculations, and just suppose your tax calculation came out to you owe $75,000. But at the minimum, the government has already said that if you make, say, $420,000, then your taxes should be $130,000. Well, guess what? They're going to add on that additional tax. That's the alternative minimum tax. There's a minimum amount of tax that the IRS is always looking for you to pay if you're a high wage earner, right? Not a good thing if you are a high wage earner, because you do everything you can to really minimize your taxes, and bam, you get hit with an additional tax. My friend Austin is one of the guilty culprits of that as well. But AMT pretty much goes away. It's going to pretty much go away. So if you just think about that, and you think about the chart that I just showed you, a lot of it is driven by the elimination of the AMT. It's not going to totally go away, but it's going to start at like $1 million now. Okay, so it's not going to totally go away, but people who make less than $1 million, they're going to see a big change on the tax return. Okay, but in this area, it's not hard to see people making $700,000-800,000. It's just not hard at all. You got people who work for the government. It's a great area to work in.
If you guys want to reach me, you can reach me at 301-474-1040, or you can email me at troy_emory@tdecpa.com, or go out to our website, www.tdecpa.com.